Hi you guys, I'm out thrifting. It is Wednesday. I think it's the 17th or 18th. I have to go to the post office, get some flat rate boxes for whatnot. I accidentally put flat rate. I'm not gonna do that again, so now everything has to have a flat rate box. Anyways, couldn't resist myself, but look, I haven't been in this location for a week, and I'm waiting for them to open the case. So I caught the jewelry girl off guard. That's set in silver, that glass. It was hanging up. A vintage owl, my mom will probably take that. Tennis bracelet. And I'm gonna take a chance on this because that, I don't know. That's definitely vintage. These were popular, in the 80s? And it's got stamps all over that closure. Great stuff in here. And while we're waiting on them to get the key, look at this. This is a brand new St. John that hadn't even been worn. Now it's a St. John Sport. So that is about the middle of the tier of their lines. But yeah, it probably did cost originally about that much. It's adorable. I happen to have a St. John Sport similar to that style in a periwinkle that I bought for myself off Poshmark for like 60 bucks. I'll give it some time and see if I can cop it when it goes on sale, because not everybody drops that kind of money at the thrift store or knows what it is. Anyways, there's some more silver in here that, thanks babe, that I want to look at for you guys. And then I'll find a quiet corner. There she goes, she called it for me again. I might look at that too. That's half price, it's vintage looking. Yellow is half price today. It's only Wednesday. And then we'll just do the haul and I can get this up. It'll be a quick video, but I can maybe just go ahead and edit it raw. Upload it raw. Okay, you guys? All right, here's my keys. I'm still working on that quiet corner. They brought out another cart, so I have a few other things to show you. And then they just brought this out. Oh my goodness, it's $80. And it's really just like an IKEA or a Walmart piece, and someone just wrapped it with wallpaper or contact paper or something. So, because you could get the blank pretty cheap and then wrap it yourself. I think they might have switched the handles though to kind of match. That's cool though. If you're not very good at, a simple do-it-yourself, it's $80. But yeah, if you are even halfway decent at crafts, you can just get an old piece of furniture way cheap and get this kind of, whatever kind of wallpaper you want, and do that yourself. But it does look good, right? And then this made me giggle. Please do not feed the models. It's $4.99. Let's see, 2004 been there. I think it's like a t-shirt. Yeah, that's a t-shirt cut out. But oh my gosh, that is just hysterical. If you're older like me, you kind of remember the days. What was that girl's name? I think it would be in the 70s, early 80s, what they called heroin chic, when they were pretty sure models had to be real thin. Oh, this is already sold. That's modern too, but it's cool. I like the vibes. It kind of looks more like maybe a garage item though. This is metal. It went for $69. That's kind of cool too. Use it as I guess you could use it as a bar. I don't know, because it's got cabinets. Seems like it's more for garage. Anyways, this is hilarious. I kind of want to get that. I'm going to. That'll just be funny. Some people will get a giggle out of this when they see it in my booth. Alright, I'm not going to show you everything yet because I'm trying to find a quiet corner. You guys, hey, I'm not going to edit this video, okay? Just very quick so it's not too horrible. And try to get it up for you guys because I'm going to be really busy the rest of the week. I still have to load Train to Trippyville, which is this Friday, October the 20th. And I'm praying that you guys will help support it, even if you don't like Whatnot, because all my usual friends are there. The Thrifting Twins, Kate, Kathy Kitschy Cat, Jocelyn Crazy Lamp Lady, Dagny, Peter's going to be there. Did I say the Thrifting Twins? Merriweather. I feel like I'm leaving somebody out, but it's my first time. It's my first turn for hosting. So, I gotta pass people, we're rating each other. Guys, this is only $24.99. That'd be fun in the booth too. But she's so small, you couldn't even hang any like a garment on her, but could do jewelry. But I'm not really one to leave my jewelry out. Let's go find a quiet corner while I tell you guys about this. And like I said, hang on, what's that? That's new, but that's cute too. You don't have to download the app and use a mobile device. You can go to Whatnot on your computer. Just go to whatnot.com and you can do everything. Bid, chat, everything but just enter the giveaway. Sorry, babe. But if you're one of my regulars and you tell me that you're just there on your computer to be supportive and you're one of my regulars to my YouTube sales, then I will throw something extra in your box. Okay, I'll write your name down so I can try to remember and give you an extra little thank you something for doing that. Appreciate it. And you can also just use your PayPal to sign up now. You do not have to give them your credit card if you don't want to. Also, there was something else I wanted to say. Oh, that's kind of cool, Bo. Can't wait for Halloween stuff to go on sale. Oh, after Halloween, it's going to be great. Also, something else I wanted to tell you. Yeah, you can use a computer. You can use PayPal if you do want to bid on your computer or sign up on the app. And I'm going to drop my code again where you'll get $15 to spend. $15 free credit. You'll see it show up in your account. You spend it with anybody. It's my ambassador referral link, so they kick me on the back end too, and I appreciate it. What I usually do with that money, I can cash it out if I want to, but what I usually do is I bop around to my reseller friends over on Whatnot and I buy something. I use it to buy stuff, to be supportive. Hey, that's older. Metallic stretch cord. That is definitely older. Made in Japan, yeah. I'll either resell it because it's cool, or I'll use that in my projects. There's another owl. This is from England, so I want to double check it. And if Karen doesn't want it in her collection, she's keeping her collection high level now, then I'll sell it. It's cute. It's very different. Look. Okay, it's not busy back here, but now I just have to find where we're not under a speaker. Alright. Just going slow so you guys don't get dizzy and you can see a few things. I just got another one from Karen. $4.99. What else do you do? I do not know. What do you do? Oh my gosh, do you put candy or M&Ms or something in there and then you do this? Okay, hang on. I might get that for myself just to have fun with Steve. That's hilarious. Maybe put it in the Trippy sale to see how it works when I get home. Okay, I did it. I remembered that back here in the corner by the magazines, it's usually pretty quiet. It's just tucked away next to the dressing rooms. And plus, my mom loved that German magazine that I got her, German Life. So I might look through these again in a minute to see if I find another one for her. Okay, anyways, oh my gosh. Let me try to get situated. So I showed you guys that stuff because you saw me pick it up. So off the fresh cart, this is awesome. The Bering Sea, hand painted in Alaska. Bering Sea Originals. That's awesome. Artist signed Gauge. And let me see. Oh, this matches it. Yeah. Awesome. So I don't think I see any chips or cracks or repairs. I'll get that. I want this for fun. Just a little wallet from Claire's preteen department. I want to throw in one of these tattoo sleeves. It's only $2. I want to throw one in for the buy it now in the train to Trippyville. For those that, I don't know, just to have fun with. Like this little doll. This little, I don't know, Canadian, Alaskan American, Inuit, I don't know all the terms. We'll find out. It's super cute, $3. Something's going on inside here. This is pretty awesome. It's one of those oil lamps. I don't know if it's a, let me see if I can get the colors. There, I don't know if it's a burger or not, but looks like it's complete. How much is it? Like, it was like $7. Yeah, $7, you guys. That looks pretty epic. I've got quite a bit of things that match this fused glass trivet. I've been piling things up, making sections for like themed sales, and so I've got an 80s, 90s gig I want to do. This crazy thing, Wiener Dog metal art. Put it where you guys can. Nope, that's not it. We'll come over here. There you go. That's cute, isn't it? This tile is beautiful. I don't know what it says under there, whose it is, but it's pretty enough that I'm sure it's going to be just fine. Gorgeous. This is, I think, somewhat vintage. Maybe retro vintage Santa. $3.99. Let me think about that. I'm going to leave that right there. Those are socks. I'm not buying them. I just found them someplace they didn't belong. This looks like something. Okay, it's taped up. I'm gonna guess that that middle piece on the chain rises up, and then you like put it on the candle, like a candle hugger. Made in Japan. Does that say Comanche or Camden? Commodore? I'll figure it out at home. And I love these. I'm gonna go ahead and pay $4. They're little wooden salt and pepper shakers. You guys, they're outhouses. One says Ma and one says Pa. Yes. Okay, let me move my box. Oh lordy. This is gonna be a bill too. Yes, I am gonna get this. I don't know, it just tickles me. It just makes me giggle. It'll make some people laugh. Okay. And the silver jewelry and stuff I got out of the case, it's at the register. I'm gonna get all this too. Okay, this dress is only retro vintage, but I think I can make that fit me. It's a 12 and I need a 10. I don't know, because it just has like, I know it's probably 80s, 90s, but it's got that 50s vibe. It's only half price, and I might have fun wearing it. So I'm going to get that for me. This cool pottery set. It's Mexico. I don't know what you call this kind, but look. It's gorgeous. Some kind of redware, and it's half price. Some crabs. No, wait a minute. Is this crabs? Yeah, this is crabs. It was at AFES for $4.99. For those of you don't know, that's the military store. I don't know if it's specifically Air Force, but I've been there, of course, up here at the Academy area. Or was it down at the Air Force Base? Because we have the Air Force Base and the Air Force Academy. Those are cute with the penguins, though. They're glass. I think it said made in USA. Yes. Originally $4.99, so yeah, they're retro vintage. These are just acrylic stands. I got 3 of them to put signs in. Like I need some for when I do the raku, so I can put signs in. Hobbyist piece is cute. It's only $2.99. He's cute, right? I don't know. Coming out of a pumpkin. We'll see. I might get that to stick it in the booth. I've got a bunch of bottle brush trees that are flocked. They're like 69 cents, so that is cheaper than the Dollar Tree, which I think is now $1.25. So those are for projects. And now, these aren't real high-end dolls, I'm pretty sure. I mean, I might get lucky and there might be something in there. But for me, it's $6. And there's like, what, 15 of them in there. So, you know, that's pretty cheap. I'm gonna do it. Ooh. I wanted this necklace too. Little hand-carved bird on the bottom. That's so cute. Glad that didn't fall all the way through. And of course, I'm gonna get me some deer. They're super cheap. $1.99. Awesome. She let me pull them out of her cart. I appreciate that. So there's 2 of them in there. Now I think this is something. This was the only vase that I could find. I'm pretty sure this vase is older, you guys. I'm pretty sure. So I'm going to take a chance on that. Try looking it up. Oh, wow, look how... Yes, it's kind of like... Not quite Bristol-like, you know, but... It's thinner. This is going to be something, I'm pretty sure. And this is fun. I'm going to pay $3. There's 42 little giveaways. Instead of candy, what's inside those boxes is a temporary tattoo. So, put in your guys' boxes your little thank you bags. I know you get smiley face pins every time, and some of you probably have like a little collection, but you know, just pass them around. And this is a new Lisa Frank, but that's okay. And I want to get that and add to the Lisa Frank collection. I've told my friends I'm going to do Lisa Frank sale, probably not till after all the holidays. Wait till 2024. This is too much now. These look like Dollar Tree items. These little fun pinball games, but they're 99 cents a piece. I wanted some thank you gifts. And I'm going to get this for projects. I love a good higher end artificial foliage, and that's what these are. Definitely. I don't know if you can tell, but paper twisted. Yeah, those are cute. Good colors. They don't look all too fake or anything. Definitely more avant-garde as far as fake foliage, if you get my drift. So take those apart. And this modern piece, I'll either sell it, Hannah will probably claim it, that's her jam, or hang it up temporarily for when I put up my deer little vignette, little display area. It's just too precious. Probably came from IKEA or somewhere. Hobby Lobby, there we go, Hobby Lobby. I gotta pay $8.99. It's probably what you would... Hobby Lobby, they always have 40% off and half price. And then a sale. I don't know if that cutie pie would have made it to a sale, but still saving a little bit. I just feel like I want this dress. I don't know when I'm going to wear it. I'm going to take off the rhinestone. I want it to... I don't know. I just want to do it. Alright gang, there it is. I'm going to do a quick edit, so this might be a little rough, and try to get this out as soon as possible. Oh, that's an interesting book, isn't it? Alright you guys, I hope you had a little bit of fun, and I will talk to you later. I'm going to look at this book before I go. Bye-bye.